In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get all submitted forms from Jotform through email. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Choose the form you want to receive notifications for, then click Edit Form. Click the Settings tab, then select Emails from the left menu. Click Add Email and choose Notification Email. If your current plan doesn't support email notifications, you'll need to upgrade your Jotform account to use this feature. In the email settings, open the Recipients tab and enter the email address where you want to receive form submission notifications. You can add multiple email addresses if needed. When you're finished, click Save to apply the notification settings. That's how to get all submitted forms from Jotform through email. Thanks for watching.